The Mainstays curved grill shelter gazebo was sold at Walmart. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-GZ544PST or MS1208404302. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 7 feet by 5 feet and is a single tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are 2 panels that make up the structure of the frame, curved awning roof style. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Mainstays curved grill shelter gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Ripblock 350 and Ripblock 500. Ripblock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.